Hello friends, welcome back to the Personal Vlogger channel, and I am back yet again with another old vehicle. So the Maruti Suzuki or the Maruti 800, I have already done it earlier. That was an old vehicle of ours. Now I have come with the 2004 edition first launch Victor. So right now you can get a newer model in the Victor. So this is an old model. So it's not belong to us, but I thought of doing a review on this because not many Victors may be seen here and there. It's very rare. So the latest model also comes with a 110cc. So you can see this is a 125cc. The body is the original one, no replacements done. Only we got a bag over here and a new seat covers because the old one was stolen. And back then we never used to get a leather one, but now we get leather ones also. So the vehicle is pretty old. You can see they have covered it so that this odometer and all is broken actually. So this, and servicing also the company doesn't do. You have to give it to other people, other places, because it's a very old vehicle. And you can see the tires are not tubeless ones also. Apart from that, you can see the engine has also become rusty and old. And the worst problem in this vehicle is there is no self. You can see there's an absence of self, but it's a truly enjoying experience when you kick the vehicle each and every time. So right now I won't go to kick because initially it takes some time. So in the climax you might have just seen in the cinematic shot, you might have seen the headlight and the indicator working. That also works if you start the vehicle. It doesn't start initially. So back then it was like the headlights were separate compared to this, but initially when the company started with the TVS company started with their bikes and all, you had to give a kick and then only your horn, other stuff works. And after that they came up with another idea, that is initially ignition will be on, no need to on the vehicle, and light and all works. And these days again a latest model has come that there is no button itself for the light will be on, like you have seen in my previous video regarding the FZ250cc. So there's nothing much to show about this because the riding experience, everything will be similar. The only difference may be here and there is the comfort. So these vehicles you can easily change the comfort mode, like change the seat, put some leather seat, or give some other look for this. You can even remove the side mirrors, make it stylish, color it out, shut the you can remove this set and modify it also. There are recently lot of techniques to change a vehicle. So that's all folks. So for this video I would like to end it right over here regarding this bike, because there's nothing much to explain to you people about. So I hope you see my videos, and please subscribe, and also please don't forget to hit the bell icon for more and more notifications. Until next time.